everyone will make their presence felt pleasantly, lalo na po yun sa tatlong bagong kapampangan nyo.
So, na-remind ko po sila kanina na everyone coming from the bench need to step up. Every time na mag-pull out ako from the bench, they need to step up, they need to contribute. Yun po yung mga bilin namin kanina. Good thing naman po, halos most of them nag-contribute po.
Thank you so much, Coach Delta. Now, on to you as a team. You guys shot almost 50% from the field, also secured 64 rebounds. But looking ahead, how else would you want to see your team grow and develop even more?
Yeah, so you said, I think it all boils down to preparation. I feel like our team really did a good job, and throughout the game we had a couple of lapses, especially in our defensive scheme. So I think that's one thing we need to work on coming into Saturday's game. So yeah.
Thank you, Juan. At this point, we're opening the floor to the media.
Bob, si Larry Muyang nag-start niyan, solid debut. Masasabi sa performance ngayon ni Larry Muyang. Ano po kalaking bagay siya sa kampanya niyo, lalo kayo lumaki?
Yes, talagang sa bigs, kulang pa rin po talaga kami. So, factor na rin po na madagdag si Larry Muyang ngayon. At same time, yung rest ng mga dalawang bigs namin, dalawang Justin, medyo napaganda yung rest nila. Good po. At napagbigyan tayo na makalaro na po si Larry ngayon.
Magpalok lang yung with your lineup now, nakasama na nga sila Larry, do you feel like parang mas lumalim kayo, you have a better chance of going deep sa playbooks?
Medyo lumalim lang po yung bench, pero still puro young players po yung hawak ko Iba pa rin po yung experience na pag nakatapat ka ng mga big team, syempre yung mga experience nila, iba pa rin po talaga yun. So, at least po medyo nagkaroon ako ng mga option naman na yung rest po ng mga bata, nagkakaroon ng quality time po ba. Hindi ganong pagod to mga first five. Then, nag-contribute po ngayon yung mga sa bench namin.
Second triple-double in the first game of the PBA. Last game against TNT, the result wasn't in their favor. What was your learnings from that game and coming to this game to bounce back?
Yeah, pretty much we just had to stay on the same page. So you said we came from a tough loss against TNT, and I think our mindset coming towards this game is pretty much just to bring a lot of energy and effort, and I feel like that's what we did as a whole, collectively as a team. We added more firepower off the bench. We had 3 new players, and yeah, I'm just happy we came in with a W. So.
Tanong ko ba, coming into this game, kahit na po natin Terra Firma, medyo hindi kasing lalaki nyo. Ano po ang biggest scoring nyo going into this game?
Going to this game po? Yung magkumpiyansa po yung mga players namin. Kasi sabi ko nga, ang Terra Firma, may mga authority, lahat sila, they have authority to score. Kaya ang hirap pa rin mong bantayan. Kasi nakita nyo how close yung first half natin. So talagang yung 1, 2, 3 to 4 stay home on defense talaga. No help muna, sabi ko. Kasi we never know kung sinong pupukol, sinong i-score. Yan yung talagang worry ko po sa kanila. So nung first quarter nakita niya naman it's close talaga. So hiluring kami kung ang daming umi-score. So at least po na-overcome naman namin ang second half po yan.
Okay po, thank you po.
Thank you.